What is up, everybody? Casper Trader back here with another video, and this is a complete disappointment. It's getting embarrassing. I lost another 60% holding the options I had yesterday. Oh my gosh, that just feels bad. Alright, I can't do anything about it. I just held them till they expired worthless. So, basically, I went from being at around $810. Yeah, around $810 down to $68. That's a disappointment. That's just, wow. Alright, so basically what led me to getting to those $800 was swing trading throughout just my previous knowledge of how to swing trade. But then I just decided, oh, why not try options? And then I won like 140% on an option, and I was like, it's a great idea. So I put in like $500 or $600 into more options, and then I was like, oh, it's gonna win. I'm gonna make money on it. And it didn't. Everything fell, and everything after that was a failed option. The only thing I did today was, because everyone knows the news that the market is falling. It's collapsing. We're in a recession now. You just have to admit it. I bought options of GoPro. I didn't buy a spread because I didn't have available funds for a spread that I wanted to do for TQQQ, which was a put. But let's not talk about that. First, I bought an option for two contracts for GoPro because it's obviously on a pretty huge downtrend for the last like 3 months, only going down. So what's probably going to happen is going to continue going down, especially with these bad conditions with the market, where the market is falling in general. So they're probably going to fall also. So I was just hoping to make a profit off these, but I still lost 16% on them. $4, not much, but 16%. So I'm hoping to gain on this option starting next week. And once I make a little bit of profit, like 50%, and if I see a resistance, because I don't know how long this is going to keep going down, but if I see that I made a nice profit, I'm just going to take it and leave it because I don't want to lose all the money I made so far. So basically, yeah, that's it. Also, what else do we have here? Yeah, so basically, I'm going to start a new thing. I'm going to start a new thing on Thinkorswim. I'm going to make a video every day, also like I'm doing here. Here I can do updates. Should I do an update every day on both Thinkorswim and Robinhood? Because I'm going to open a paper trading account on Thinkorswim, and I want to update you guys on my investing on Robinhood with the options I have right now. Actually, you know what? I'll finish with Robinhood. I'm not going to do much with Robinhood except for these GoPro options until I'm going to start. After that, I'm going to start with Thinkorswim. I'm going to use the Thinkorswim paper trading platform to practice my trading options because I don't want to risk more of the money that I lost. I lost a lot of money trying options, so might as well try it with fake money simulation trading, so I can actually get the experience and gain the knowledge to make money with options and with real money. So basically, I'm going to do that. I'm going to use Thinkorswim's platform to trade options and learn about options. And I'm going to update you every day also about my options on Thinkorswim and what I'm learning, like spreads. And yeah, that's basically it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and watch me get to 1 million. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be all over the place. I went from $500 to $800 down to $60, and then we're gonna make it to 1 million within at least, maximum 3 years. I'm gonna get to 1 million by trading stocks. If you guys want to see me make that, just click the subscribe button, please. It really helps the channel out a lot. And click the like button on this video so more people can see it, more people can see me make 1 million and learn how they can do that also. So thanks for watching, and watch my other videos to see how you can also grow your money. Not like what I did recently. Shh, don't talk about it. Alright, so see you guys in the next video.